Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a bookmark into your document on the Google Docs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the document that you would like to add a bookmark to. Tap on it. Select the part or the page where you would like to add a bookmark or insert a bookmark in order to find it later. But first you need to press this pencil button down below in the right side corner. Then you should tap on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Scroll down till you find the bookmark option. Click on it, thereby inserting the bookmark. As you can see, it's indicated by a blue bookmark icon. If you tap on it, you can easily copy the link by clicking on the copy link, or remove it by tapping on this bin icon, thereby getting rid of the inserted bookmark. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.